Counting intervals in Auxy and GarageBand. First, let's talk about Auxy. It's actually pretty simple because all you have to do is look at the note spaces. So from here you have this note, and you're going to skip up 1, 2, 3 to that fourth note. So that is actually a leap. And as is from here to here, this is a leap as well. Then you notice from here to here to here to here, it goes up to the very next note. So those are steps. And then from here to here, you only skip one step, so it is a skip. And then last, these are two notes playing the same note, and those are, of course, repeated notes. So if you were to count or tally those intervals, you have 1, 2 leaps, then you have 1, 2, 3 steps, only one skip, and only one repeated note interval. So when you count the intervals in GarageBand, and there's two steps you need to do before you can actually do the counting. The first thing you're going to do is double tap on the track you want to count. Next, select the word Edit. So what you need to do now is you need to use the keyboard here as your guide, okay? We know that if one note goes from one note to the next, it's a step, or one note skipping one, it's a skip, and one note skipping more than two or more, it's a leap. So we see right here that our first interval is just a repeated note. So next we go from here all the way up to here. So we know that this is a leap because it's skipping 1, 2, 3 keys. Next we have some steps because we go here. The very next note would be here, which is the next key. The very next note would be here, which is the next key. So we actually have 2 step intervals. So we now know in this section we have 1 repeated note, 1 leap interval, and 2 step intervals. Then we go directly next to the next section and the next section. Since these repeat, you can really just multiply the whole thing times 3.